Hello everyone, my name is Christian Knapp and I live in the Barcelona area in Catalonia in Spain. This is the presentation of my final project for the CS50 course in SQL. First, I would like to thank all of the organizers, everyone involved in this course. I implemented a database in PostgreSQL about human genes and their functions. So this database contains information about chromosomes, genes, proteins, gene ontologies, which are standardized functional categories of genes, and annotations of genes with those gene ontologies. And I listed you here the sources of the data which I used to populate these datasets. So basically I downloaded data from all of these sources. I pre-processed this data and especially simplified the data with Python. And then I imported this data as CSV files into the PostgreSQL database. So generally speaking, I want to be able to query for all relationships between chromosomes, genes, functions, and proteins. Let's have a look at the relationship between the different entities. At the center is of course the gene, and the gene produces zero to many proteins. Most genes produce several protein isoforms. A gene can be located on one or two chromosomes. In case of X and Y chromosomes, genes can be located on both. And a gene can be described by several annotations of gene ontologies, right? Let's have a quick look at the schema.sql. Each table gets populated with data by importing from CSV files. Tables for chromosomes, genes, locations, gene ontologies, proteins, and so on. We also have a few indices. And we have some views, and they are very handy, basically. Okay, we have now an empty database, as you can see here. Let's now load the schema.sql and build the database.
This takes a moment. It's importing all the CSV files into tables, and those creates the tables and the views and the indices. Any moment now, there we are, you see some of the entries.
There we are. Now we can run some queries. Let's start with a simple one and look up in the genes overview view. So this is a view, the genes pCNA and LMNA. For this we can go to the terminal and we can see that the LMNA is located on chromosome 1 and the gene pCNA is located on chromosome 2. Let's now find the function of the gene pCNA as defined by the gene ontology in the genes annotated view. The pCNA is associated with the nucleus, with chromatin, so with DNA replication, and so on. And where are genes located which are involved in mitochondria? All of the chromosomes carry genes which are involved in mitochondria, and only 33 of them are on the chromosome of the mitochondria themselves. Thank you so much for watching.